Do you know what is the best way to speak English fluently? Is just by practicing. And if you do not have a partner with whom you will speak, don't worry, I'm here to help you. If you ask anyone that what is the best way to speak English fluently, definitely they will be answering you that you should practice, you should practice, you should practice. But what if the person is alone and he doesn't have any resources? Then what he should do? If you want to learn English, if you have a curiosity to learn English, then my video will be helping you a lot. If you follow these all tips, definitely your English will be improved. Tip number one is speak. Definitely you will have to speak. If there is a no one, you do not have a partner, then take any object that you like the most and speak about them. Whatsoever you want to say to someone, an individual or a person, speak with the object. For example, if you want to speak with your friend and your friend is not available, but still you want to improve your English, so still you want to practice English. For example, suppose your friend is available and take any object and speak with that. For example, how are you, Jess? You are not a fine. Why you didn't come yesterday? Okay, means you were busy. Why you were busy? I came in school, but I was waiting for you, but you didn't come. Okay, by the way, have you done your work? Why you didn't? I have done my work. On this day, we are going on a picnic. Oh, that's a good. We will be enjoying the picnic. Okay, your friend is coming with you? No. Why? Whenever I'm upset, whenever I need help, you always help me. And you are my best friend. And really, I like you. Thank you very much for supporting me. Best example of learning English alone is in front of you. I'm speaking in front of you. There is a no one. There is only smartphone and I am in front of that and I'm speaking. There is no one with whom I am speaking. I'm just speaking with the smartphone. Whatsoever want to speak, I am saying to the smart. There is no one. I am speaking and I am teaching you. I am just thinking that someone is in front of me and I am speaking with that. Yes, you have to just suppose that person is available in front of you and you are sharing your knowledge or your ideas. Whatsoever you want to speak, you are speaking with him. Whatsoever you want to say, just speak with that and really it will help you a lot. Just keep one thing in your mind. When you're learning English alone, you don't have to care about the people that what the people are thinking about me. You have to just speak, speak, speak. Don't care about the people that what the people are thinking about me. If you really want to learn the English, if you really want to improve your English, then you have to take this action right now. The tip number second is also related with the first one. That is a record your video. Whenever you are speaking alone, no one is there who can judge you, who can tell you that where you are making mistake, how your pronunciation, how's your body language. The best way to judge yourself is just to record your video. When you are learning one thing in a two different means, you are watching your video, and second thing is that you are listening all the things whatsoever you are speaking. So you are learning one thing in a two different way, and that will be easy for you that where are you making mistakes, how's your pronunciation, how's your eye contact. Difference when you are speaking with an individual, maybe you are making mistakes and maybe they are not telling you that how you are speaking, how's your body language, how's your pronunciation. The best way to improve your English and to find out your mistakes, that where you are making mistakes, so recording video will help you a lot. When you record your video, you can find out mistakes and you can work on it, and next time you will not be repeating those all mistakes, and day by day your English will be improved. So recording the video is the best option when you are learning English alone. Tip number last but not the least, that is the writing. And it is said that when you cannot write, you cannot read, and when you cannot read, you can't speak. Whatsoever coming in your mind, just to vomit it out. You have a pen and you have a copy, just write down your thoughts, your views, your ideas on the copy. Really it will help you a lot. And this is also the best option, that if you do not want to speak with someone, do not want to record your video, then this is the best option. Write down on the page and just find out your mistakes, that where you are making mistakes. If you want to become a good speaker, you have to also become a good writer. Idea, the thoughts or views or the opinions coming in your mind, just write down on the page. The writing will be helping you in three ways. One thing, you will be improving your vocab, and second thing, that you will be finding your mistakes, and most important thing is that you will be creative. You will know how to express yourself. Whatsoever you are writing, wherever you are making mistakes or wherever you are using vocab, those all things you will be repeating when you are speaking with someone. So when you write those all things, after that you can find out your mistakes, that where you are making mistakes, how's your vocab, how's the structure of the sentence. When you will get an opportunity to speak with someone, definitely you will not be making these all mistake again and again. So this is also the best way, that if you cannot record your video, if you cannot speak with someone, then this is also the best way to write your idea and to notice all the mistakes that, and you can work on your weaknesses, and definitely it will help you a lot and your English will be improved. Tips that I have shared with you will really work if you implement these all tips. If you do not implement these all tips, definitely your English will not be improved. If you want to learn English alone, try these tips, really it will help you. So it was all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you soon in the next video.